Hi friends, good morning. In last lecture we have discussed isomerism in complex compound. In last lecture we have discussed geometrical isomerism and we have taken proper example. Now we are going to discuss about optical isomerism. What is optical isomerism? Generally in optical isomerism, molecule formula and structural formula will be same, but ligand will be attached to metal ion with different direction, only seen in octahedral complex compound, and it is only seen in chelate complex compound. So how can we identify this is the optical compound and how it would be proved that these are optical isomers of each other? When we pass plane polarized light to this compound, then plane polarized light will rotate either left hand side or right hand side. If it rotates left hand side, then it is levo or minus, or if rotate right hand side, then it is dextro or plus. Sign of levo is small l, sign of dextro is small d. If mathematical sign is used for levo, it is L or minus, dextro D or plus, and if rotate both the side, plane polarized light is passed through this compound and rotate plane polarized light both the side, then it is to be said racemic compound, and sign will be plus minus dl, and it is racemic compound, and it is property chirality. So now optical isomers, we have studied this topic, optical topic, in haloalkene, haloalkane, haloarine. Same, the compound is complex compound, and we are going to discuss this topic related to complex compound. So again I am repeating that the molecule formula will be same, structural formula will be same, ligand to metal ion will be different direction, and it is chelate compound, and chirality property will be obtained if plane polarized light is passed through this compound and it rotates left hand side, then it is levo, small l, and if it is rotated right hand side, then it is dextro, and it has mirror image, and image will be not superimposed on each other. So it is to be said optical isomers. Mirror image will be obtained, image will not be superimposed on each other, so it is to be said isomers of each other. we will take a proper example and prove that this is mirror image and image is not superimposed on each other, so it is optical isomers. Let's see optical isomers. So topic is optical isomers, isomerism. This is the topic. We are taking one example, Cr C2O4 thrice and 3 minus. We will discuss on this example and prove that there is not a mirror image superimposed on each other, and we will draw the structure. First we will discuss what is the name of this complex compound. So this is trioxolato. Trioxolato, chromium 3 ion. We can say over here that, sorry, it is chromate 3 ion because it is negative complex compound. We can put over here pK3, then it is potassium, so it is not chromium but it is chromate. So trioxolato, chromate 3 ion, oxalato having 2 minus oxidation number, there are total 3, so it is total minus 6, chromium is 3 plus, minus 6 3 plus, remaining minus 3, so it is negative complex compound, so metal will have chromate. So again I am repeating, trioxolato, chromate 3 ion. Let's do the structure of this complex compound. We are drawing over here chromium Cr, then 3 oxalato we have to draw. Oxygen will form coordinate covalent bond. Here will be carbon, here will be carbon. 1 oxalato we have drawn. Another oxalato, oxygen, oxygen, carbon, carbon. Other oxalato, second oxalato, third oxalato. Mirror image of this one will what? Chromium, oxygen as it is, carbon. I have to draw properly. Mirror image of this one, chromium, oxygen, carbon, bond, oxygen, carbon, bond, oxygen, carbon, double bond. You can see that this is the mirror image of this one. This cannot be superimposed on this one, so we are having the charge 3 minus. We have to put over here in simple short square bracket, and it is 3 minus. So this is the trioxalato chromate 3 ion, and this is the mirror image of this, and you can clearly understand that the image is not superimposed on each other. So now we have completed one example. We will take another example also, optical isomers. Another example is what? Another example is platinum Pt, Cl2, En twice and 2 plus. So Cl2 is 2 minus, platinum is plus 4, 2 minus, this is 0, so charge will be plus 2, nomenclature of this one will what? Then dichlorido, bis ethane 1 to diamine, platinum 4. Dichlorido, bis ethane 1 to diamine, platinum 4, and then lastly it is written iron. Dichlorido, bis ethane 1 to diamine, platinum bracket 4, and then iron. Dichlorido, bis ethane 1 to diamine, it will be written in bracket, platinum 4, iron. What will be the structure of this one? Then platinum, dichlorido, I am drawing here dichlorido, 1 ethane 1 to diamine, NH2, CH2, another ethane 1 to diamine, NH2, CH2, completed. Same figure but mirror image of this one. Then this will be the platinum, Cl, NH2, CH2, this is 1 ethane 1 to diamine, NH2, CH2, this is another ethane 1 to diamine. This is the mirror image of each other, and the image is not superimposed on each other. So this is the another example of optical isomerism. So we have taken two examples of optical isomerism. We have drawn the structure of